Good morning, students. In previous video, I had explained you first and second question of detail types of farming and oilseeds crops of India. Now, in this video, I will explain you third, fourth. Okay. Now, moving on the question, describe the food grains of India. Okay. In your textbook, there are total five food grains which are explained. Okay, five types of food grains and which are most important in our country. Okay, major food grains. Okay, most important food grains of India. Grains which are cultivated in total area of India, that is 75%, and 50% production comes from grains only. First, we will talk about paddy. First food grain which is explained in your textbook, that is paddy. Paddy means rice. चावल को paddy कहा जाता है. Another name of rice is paddy. Second thing, individual. This topic is asked in 3 marks also and 4 marks also. So, confusion मत होना, confused होना नहीं. Paddy अगर individual भी पूछते हैं तो आपको number of points, number of content of paddy you have to write as per the marks weightage. So don't be upset by that and write down answer according to that. Paddy. Paddy is very much important, most important crop, and stands second in the world after China in paddy production. Production wise हम लोग second place पे है world wide और China first पे है. Okay, paddy is sown in 1/4 of the total sown area and required more water. To cultivate paddy, we required more water. Facility water की हमें ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होती है पैडी के कल्टीवेशन में, राइस के कल्टीवेशन में. 1/4 एरिया जो हमारे इंडिया का है वो पैडी को ग्रो करता है. राइस कल्टीवेशन, हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट, मिनिमम टेम्परेचर 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस, fertile alluvial soil, and more than 100 centimeter of rainfall are necessary for the production of paddy. This is the requirement of paddy cultivation. If you are planning out, if the farmer is trying, if farmer wants to cultivate the paddy, okay, on his land, then he has to work it out on all this feature things requirement of the for the production of paddy. West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Odisha, and Tamil Nadu are the most important major areas where you will find the cultivation of paddy. In Gujarat, in Surat, Tapi, Panchmahal, Ahmedabad, Valsad district. These are the areas where you will find the paddy cultivation. Now the another topic, that is wheat. Wheat is the another main important food grain crop which we are growing in our India, and it is substantially food of the Northwest India. सबसे ज़्यादा ये Northwest India में खाया जाता है. As you know, Northwest side means totally Gujarat, Saurashtra, Rajasthan, and the upper northern part of the India. Wheat is sown in 1/3 part of the total sown area, and it requires less water, and with irrigation facility also we can cultivate wheat. It requires black and fertile loamy soil. More than 75% of annual rainfall is required to cultivate the wheat food grain. Wheat can be grown in the region of lesser rainfall with irrigation facility, as I told you. Plus, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, etc. are producing the wheat production. And in Gujarat, if we will talk, Mehsana, Rajkot, Junagadh, Kheda region produce wheat. Okay. Now, another food grain is jowar. Jowar is the third most produced grain in India after paddy and wheat. Jowar, for jowar cultivation, we require temperature between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, 50 centimeter of rainfall, black and loamy soil, which is favorable for the cultivation for the growing jowar on the land. Okay, jowar grows in abundance in dry and less rainy regions of southern peninsula. Okay, especially where the dry region, where you will find less rainfall, there people are cultivating the jowar food grains. And most of the production you will find of jowar in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat. And especially in Gujarat, Surat, and Tapi district, you grow maximum quantity of jowar in Gujarat. Now, after jowar, fourth food grain is millet. What is millet? बाजरा जिसे कहा जाता है, green, बाजरा, food grain. Millet is considered to be the grain of laborers because labor prefer food, bajra, and bajra is good for the hard workers, okay? Stronger, those who have to work hard in a physical term, not in a mental term. It is grown in the region having temperature between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, rainfall between 40 to 50 centimeter, and light sandy soil. This is the requirement of millet where you can cultivate. Okay. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and Maharashtra are the major millet producers. Second, Banaskantha district in Gujarat leads in the millet production in Gujarat. Highest production you will find in this Banaskantha district of Gujarat. After that, millet, maize, food grain, which is cultivated in the world after paddy and wheat in a maximum quantity. मेज इज मकई. मेज किसको कहा जाता है? मकई को कहा जाता है. ठीक है. मेज ग्रो मोर इन माउंटेनियस एरिया. ज्यादातर पहाड़ी इलाकों में इसका कल्टीवेशन होता है. सेकेंड, द रिक्वायरमेंट टू कल्टीवेट द मेज, दैट इज स्लोपी, ब्लैक, हार्ड एंड स्टोनी soil we required. 50 and 100 centimeter rainfall required. 20 to 27 degrees Celsius temperature is required to cultivate the maize crop. Okay. Major states which are producing maize are Rajasthan, UP, Gujarat, etc. Maize contains starch in it, oil, protein, biofuel, etc. So it is used in industrial production too. Okay. Then here the major food grains which are cultivated in India that I had explained you. Now another topic of the detailed question which is coming from 10th chapter, that is fourth question based on beverages of India. Okay, give information about the beverages of India. Beverages means the word beverage is related to drinks. Okay, as a particular refreshment which we are taking in our morning, in evening to make ourselves refresh. And which are that three beverages which we are explaining today, that are totally three beverages which are explained in your textbook: tea, coffee, and cocoa. And people of India love these three of them very much. First, I will explain you tea. Tea is a plant of tropical as well as temperate zone. Where you are cultivating tea, tropical as well as temperate zone, this type of environment is required to cultivate the tea. As well as it is grown on slopy lands where the water does not get stagnant and can easily flow down. The water it requires to grow the tea plantation, but it should be in a continuous form, slopy area, stagnant. It should not be stuck over there. Second, tea leaves and tender sprouts are processed and its powder and small leaves are used in drink. What is the process of how to cultivate directly as we are using the cash crops, food grains, pulses? In that form, tea is not used. Tea leaves are particularly snatched out, tender sprouts are processed, and after that we are converting them into the powdery form, and small leaves are used in our drinks. India produce maximum tea after China. Sri Lanka, China, and India are leading in tea exporters. Tea is grown more in Assam, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Assam and West Bengal produce 75% of tea of the nation. Second thing, tea leaves are very skillfully plucked from the plants. It's a trick which we require to pluck it out, to take out from the plants. Okay. डायरेक्टली जैसे हम लोग जो नॉर्मली कैसे आसानी से तोड़ देते हैं, कोई भी झाड़ पे से अगर पत्ता तोड़ना है तो बिना कोई सोचे समझे क्या होगा कैसे होगा वो सोचते नहीं है, ठीक है, जस्ट तोड़ देते हैं। तो वैसा इधर नहीं चलता। टी के लीव्स को तोड़ने के लिए एक स्किल होती है, एक टेक्निक होती है जो यूटिलाइज की जाती है उसको particularly plants से अलग करने के लिए, that they have to learn it out and then only they can use, they are using that to pluck it out the tea leaves from the plant. Second beverage that we are having that I will explain you today, that is coffee. Coffee is a plantation crop. Coffee seeds are extracted from the nuts and then grinded. कॉफी जो है वो प्लांटेशन क्रॉप है, छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं कॉफी के, उसके सीड्स एक्सट्रैक्ट किए जाते हैं उसमें से नट्स के टर्म पे, और वो नट्स को ग्राइंड करके पाउडरी फॉर्म में यूज किया जाता है कॉफी के ड्रिंक में। Coffee is grown on mountain slopes in the shade of large tree in such a way that direct sunlight does not fall on the coffee leaves. कॉफी को उस एरियाज में ग्रो किया जाता है स्लोपी एरियाज में, जहाँ पे और स्लोपी एरियाज में, और वो भी बड़े बड़े पेड़ों के नीचे, in such a way that direct sunlight does not fall on the coffee leaves. वो डायरेक्टली उसके ऊपर पड़े नहीं, सनलाइट डायरेक्टली उसको रिक्वायर होती नहीं है। Coffee crop needs 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall, 15 to 20 degree Celsius temperature और slopy mountain land है पे ही इसे ग्रो किया जा सकता है। Southern states of Karnataka, well-known region for coffee production. Cog area of Karnataka is also well-known region for coffee production. Now the third beverage which is explained in your textbook, that is cocoa. Cocoa is also a beverage. It is also prepared from the seed of cocoa fruit. It is used in making chocolates. Cocoa plants require hot and humid climate and excessive rainfall. The countries of Africa are major producer of cocoa on the world. Cocoa production is on increase in Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. These are the production areas where you will find more cultivation of cocoa fruit. Okay, here these three topics of beverage which I had explained you. Okay, in this particular video. I hope so. It is cleared and well understood by you. In next video, I will explain you fifth and sixth, and I will complete with my detailed question. Hope you find this video fruitful as well as helpful for your exam. Have a nice day. Good day. Bye.